Well, hello there, Coffee Time friends. How y'all doing? Welcome to Coffee Time with John and Mama. If you haven't seen us before, come on over to our page, Coffee Time with John and Mama, and watch us and see what you think. You're going to enjoy today if you know anything about y'all's sweet tea. It's time, folks. Now, we have not tried this. I promise. I can count these tea bags and prove it. We really haven't. Today's our first day. And Mama's ready.
I've got my ice in here. And,
So, Mama.
I've got my ice in here, and I'm going to go ahead and put my
Sugar. This is just white granulated sugar over top of the ice.
a cup and a half of sugar. And that takes care of that. And I got my
Teaspoon in. Let me look. It's about one more minute, and it will steep for 9 minutes.
couple more minutes maybe.
Well, when you said a while ago, you can leave it to if you want to, Mama.
Yeah, we'll wait.
Look what a pretty packaging. BlackBerry Blast. I've done had some tea.
Not BlackBerry though.
No. It was my honor and privilege to empty this pitcher. There was about a glass left. When I hit that door, I could just taste that tea because it's hot. I had to drop off do some errands. Had to go get baby food. Was my errands. And them babies don't do without. When they get down to 2 bags, I gotta go. So I got the babies' food. I will tell you this flavor tastes what started me. They're just smelling it. And anyhow, I had some stuff to do, but I was so hot. I had water, of course. I had coffee, of course. But when I hit that door, all I had on my mind was tea. Mama said, ain't much. I said, good. And she said, why good? And I said, it's time for BlackBerry. And she said, yeah, we'll make us some. So we're excited. We was going to make it last night, but we had tea left. Mama's the 2 minutes up.
Oh, I don't know.
That's a long 2 minutes. I think it is, because I think you really only have 1 minute to start with. All right, folks, this is the BlackBerry tea. It comes in that 1 gallon pack. Mom, you want me to pour that?
I'm good.
Mom, you want me to pour that? Oh, Lord. Pour harder. Go.
I don't want nothing. Well, I can get my
Oh, my goodness. I should have poured it. Let it go. Let it go. We got the tongs over there. Get your tea tongs.
I get this.
Get your tea tongs.
Oh, I did spill it on the table, didn't I?
Well, yeah, I told you.
Let's get that up.
Get your tea tongs and I will fish this bag out and squeeze it. Love the big spoon. Love the tea. We call them tea tongs. I think they call them something else. These things right here do their job. See, they're 2 spoons intercupped in each other. Look at that. And they've got a strainer. So when you do drop your bag or you just trying to get it out of the water, when you squeeze it like this, it doesn't break. You just squeeze it out. Just like that. And I like to kind of, I've not made a lot of tea because Mama usually makes it, but I let it fall down and give it another squeeze. It's okay if it goes back in there because you're wanting to squeeze the tea and get all the goodie out of it. And what better way to do it than do it right here in your pitcher, because that's where you want that tea to end up. It's not just a one-time squeeze. You want to squeeze it and soak it again. See, it's still got tea coming out of it. I think that's enough. I've squeezed it. What's the proper pronunciation? Squeezed it. I've mashed it 2 or 3 times. But see, it's not all drippy now. Well, I mean, it is, but it ain't pouring out everywhere. That's what you want. And don't be afraid. Dash it. With this, you don't break it, so you can dash it around a couple of times. Now, honey, That was 8.
2 cups of water.
Okay. Look at this handle. Look, it ain't nowhere near. I can put my whole hand and still have enough room and stir, stir, stir. Now we're going to put 8 cups total. Look at that wonderful y'all's picture. Y'all's measuring cup. It's got written very clearly. Look at there. Love that. Looks like it's, look at like glass. And look at the bottom. I ain't never seen plastic look like it. Alright, Mama. It's cold because of that ice.
Yeah, cold water.
And cold water. Filtered water. It smells like paper.
Oh boy, I
Yeah, rinse that out so I can just appear. I don't want that other tea in there now.
Oh,
I want just pure BlackBerry. I can't wait for this one. I've been thinking, ever since I mentioned it, I may have a new favorite. Peach is my favorite right now. I love the water. I love the strawberry. I love the watermelon. I love the lemon. Now I have got hooked on that lemon. I drink a lot of the lemon in the summer. I do, because it's good.
here you go.
Well, you'll have to get your glass too. I'm not going to drink it without you.
Well, I'm going to when I get. You took care.
Now look here, I'm going to show you something. You see sugar in the bottom of there? Nope, you don't. It's wonderful. It's got a pretty color to this still too. Look at that spoon. Mama's wanting to make soup with that spoon. She told me the other day. I said, don't mess up our teaspoon with soup. And she said, well, you made us have to buy another spoon. I said, well, okay. Okay, Mama, whatever you want. Might get her one of them for her birthday. All right, Mama. There's your BlackBerry tea. Get over here where you can see. I want to see your face.
Y'all see my face. It's,
Yeah, when you ship it.
it's the same old face.
No, it ain't either, Mama. You'd be surprised how many faces I've seen on your show.
It's the same old face.
I'm fixing to see one now that represents this tea. Mama, you better hurry. I'm getting ready to go.
Yeah. You can taste the blackberry, but you still taste the tea.
I love it.
It's not overpowering.
It's just like the rest of them. You just get you get that flavor, but yet you know it's not like drinking Kool-Aid. It tastes just like when I go to a restaurant and I say, "Give me that $6 glass of blackberry tea."
It is good.
We just made this, and it's already. I mean, it's not melting that ice because it had ice in it already to melt. It's just refreshing, delicious.
I was gonna make me some raspberry, but I guess I'll just drink the the blackberry.
Blueberry's next.
Blackberry for a while.
What do you think, Mama?
I think
Is it better than the peach?
I don't know about that. It's good. But you know that peach is hard to beat.
Well, I'll tell you this.
It's right up there with it.
I sure say. I'll tell you with this. If you told me you had blackberry and peach at the same time, I'd say bring me the one. I love them both.
Yeah.
I think I'm tied with it right now. The peach is awful good, but I love peach tea. The blackberry is awful good because, you know, when in the summertime you go to a restaurant or something and they'll have flavored teas, and you pay, you know. And I just love
I
this.
want to close that door.
Y'all did a good job, boys. when they do a product, they only accept perfection. And they'll send it back, send it back, send it back with notes. And they want to put the best product out for us. And sometimes we like for them to hurry. But they take their time and they get it right. And that's one thing about them. When you see this little stamp right there, that little y'all's sweet tea represents a ton of quality. And this is good.
Blackberry Blast.
I love it. It was worth the wait. Now this is caffeinated, so it's late, but I'm gonna have one more glass anyway. That'll be my third glass of tea. But I mean, it's a small little cup.
Well, the first one was decaffeinated.
If I can't sleep, I'll just have to get through one day, and then I'll be weekend.
Tomorrow's Friday.
All day long if it don't rain.
I know it. It might be Friday if it does rain.
I hope so.
You reckon it will?
I hope so. All right, folks. That's our review.
It is great.
Y'all's sweet tea, Blackberry Blast. If you haven't,
like blackberry, it's a thing to go.
it really is. Now, you're not going to be drinking Kool-Aid.
No.
You're drinking flavored tea that tastes delicious.
It's tea taste and blackberry taste.
It's delicious.
Together.
Absolutely delicious.
One don't overpower the other.
Nope, it doesn't. Pick you up some. Tell them Mama and John sent you. And use our code JOHN at the end, and they'll give you 10% off. It's capital JOHN in the coupon place. And they will give you 10% off everything you buy. All right, Mama, say goodbye to the good folks.
Goodbye, Mama. God bless you all. Bye-bye.
See y'all. Bye-bye.